I hope you've had a fantastic weekend. Today we are going to work on our 2s, 4s and 8 timetable. We're going to be practicing some of the techniques that we have done in class to help you solve multiplication problems. You are going to need 3 different colour pens or pencils, a pencil and a piece of paper. So pause the video here and get yourself ready. Okay, Year 3, the first thing I have done is I have counted up in my 2s and changed colour every other number. So you might want to pause the video here and copy Mrs. Cashin. I have gone up to number 48. Have you noticed that every other number is our 4 times table and every single number is in the 2 times table? So this helps us with our 2s and 4 times table. For example, if I wanted to find out how many 2s were in the number 8, I would count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s are in the number 8. Now I would like to know how many 4s are in the number 8. So I would just count the red numbers because they are our 4 times table. 1, 2. There are 2 4s in the number 8. Now, can you remember from class our special trick when trying to find out answers for our 8 times table? That's right, we circle every other number in the 4 times table. So I'm going to get my third colour now, which is going to be green. And I know that 2 is in the 2, 4 is in the 4s, 6 is in the 2, 8 is in the 4s. But this time we are going to circle every other number in our 4s. So we've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44 and 48. On the board here I have got numbers for our 2s, 4s and now our 8 times tables. I have prepared some multiplication questions for us to give it a go with our technique. So our first question is 3 times 4. I'm going to use my board and I'm going to count up in my 4s 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Next question, 4 times 8. So I know I could look at my 4 times tables or my 8 times tables. I'm going to count up in my 8s. Now I know the 8 times table is the circled numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 8 is 32. One last times table question, 7 times 4, so I'm going to count up in my 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Now you can also use this technique to answer some division questions. So my first division question here is 32 divided by 4. Another way we can say this is, how many 4s are in 32? So I would find 32 and I would count how many 4s are in 32 and I would just count up the red numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And I also know that this is the inverse of 4 times 8 equals 32. So 32 divided by 4 equals 8, and you could also have 32 divided by 8 equals 4. My last division question I have got is 16 divided by 8. So I would find the number 16. I know that my 8 times tables are the circled numbers, and I have got 1, 2. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Have a go at the questions that I have got ready for you. I'm also going to put the answers on. Well done, Year 3. This is a fantastic technique and you can use it for your 2s, 4s and 8s. Well done. Pause the video here and have a go at the questions.